How to get your old Snapchat account back. Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. If you previously had an account of Snapchat and you want to recover it, let me show you the way of doing it. Let's head over to Snapchat and you will see this login page. If you have any current account logged in, make sure you log out and you'll see this login page. Now all you need to do is tap on forgot your password and you'll have two options to reset and recover your password. Either you can use your phone number or your email address. So pick your preferred option. For now, just tap on email address. And if you tap on the email address option, you'll directly land on this interface where you can now again type in the email address to reset your password. So type in your email and tap on submit. Now a verification link will be sent to the email address that you've entered. Just open up your email and you will see this email will be sent to you by Snapchat. Now all you need to do is tap on this link and you'll be taken to a section where you can now create a new password. So type in a new password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, which must also include numbers, letters and special characters. Type in your password and in the second box again confirm it. Make sure that both of these passwords match and then tap on save. And your password of Snapchat will be successfully reset. Now what you can do is open up your Snapchat again. And this time you can type in the new password that you created and also enter in your email address. And you can tap on login and you'll be successfully logged in to your account of Snapchat. So that's the way that you can get your old Snapchat account back. Give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be back soon with more informative videos similar to this. Until then, keep watching.